Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you through the process of creating, editing, and deleting surveys in Deepser. A survey is most used to measure customer satisfaction. To begin, let's navigate to the survey folder on the dashboard and select the subfolder called Designer. In here, you'll find all the survey templates that have been already created. In order to edit an existing template, simply click on the template and do the edits. Or you could just simply delete it. Now let's move on into creating a new survey. Click on the Add Survey button located in here, and you have the freedom to choose the name for survey that you wish. In this case, let's give it the name Deepser Survey Test, for example. Additionally, you can set up a cron expression to establish a recurring schedule for sending out the survey. In this case, we'll select the monthly option and set it to be on the first of every month. In here, you can write any intro notes that you wish to, also any final notes. You could also add a description if you want to, and there's an option to ensure respondent anonymity, allowing the survey to withhold the identities of the participants. You can also show the submit button in all of the pages, and the inclusion of an expiration date for the survey can optionally be selected, allowing precise customization of the duration in days, hours, or minutes even. A user group selection feature is available, enabling the targeted distribution of the survey to be to a specific individuals or group. To facilitate the survey distribution via email, simply select the option Send Emails. And also, you could allow the selection of the designated mailbox to receive the survey responses. Okay, then we'll apply the changes that we made and begin on editing the survey. To do so, we have to click on the Open Designer option. In here, in order to add any question on the survey, simply click on the small plus button. Choose the type of question that you wish to add. In this case, let's add a rating question. Click on the small pencil to edit the element. And here you can write the question. For example, how do you rate Deepser? Here you can write a simple description. For example, 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. The button required, you could make the question required or not. And here are the configuration of the question. For example, let's add the max value of the question to 5. Okay, let's save it. We have to save the template and update the preview. In order to open the preview in a new tab, you could simply click in here. And this is how initially the survey looks like. Now let's add another question, again on the small plus button. Here you could choose any question that you wish to. In this case, let's choose a text one. Again on the small pencil to edit the question. And the question would be, for example, what do you think of Deepser? We could make the question required or not, and the configuration. We save it. We have to again save the template, update the preview, and open it in a new tab. So here is how the survey looks like. Another feature is the dependency between questions. So we could make the second question to be dependent on the first one. So if the answer of the first one is a 5-star answer,